In this video, I will show you how to set up Wells Fargo credit card AutoPay. So to do that, simply open up your Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for Wells Fargo, then click on the URL. After that, in the top right corner, you can see this menu bar. Right beside it, there is this sign on. Click on sign on. Here, put your username and a password and click on sign on. Once you're logged into your account, click on this menu bar in the top right again. Here you will find Pay and Transfer written here. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, you will have various options of cards to choose from. Simply click on the card where you want to set up AutoPay. From there, you can find AutoPay or automatic payment option. Simply tap on it. After that, you can choose how much you want to pay, when do you want to pay, and from which account you want to pay. Once you put in all of that detail, confirm your account, confirm your selections. Scroll down below, there you can find Setup AutoPay. Confirm it, and that's it. It typically takes 30 to 60 days for AutoPay to become active. And if you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.